A land where East meets West, where every street whispers stories of the past, and every view feels like a dream. Welcome to Turkey. Let's explore the top 10 most beautiful places you must visit in 2025. Number 1, Istanbul, the city of two continents. A city that lives in both Europe and Asia. From the majestic Hagia Sophia to the serene Bosphorus cruises, Istanbul is where ancient history meets modern life. Number 2, Cappadocia, the land of fairy chimneys. Imagine waking up to a sky full of hot air balloons, flying over surreal landscapes and magical rock formations. Stay in a cave hotel. Trust me, it's unforgettable. Number 3, Pamukkale, the Cotton Castle. Natural white terraces filled with warm turquoise water. Walking here feels like stepping into a dream. This place is nature's masterpiece. Number 4, Antalya, the Turkish Riviera. Crystal clear beaches, ancient ruins, and luxury resorts. Antalya is the perfect blend of relaxation and adventure. Number 5, Ephesus, the ancient wonder. Walk the same streets as the Romans did 2,000 years ago. The Library of Celsus and ancient amphitheater will take your breath away. Number 6, Bursa, the green Ottoman capital. Surrounded by mountains, mosques, and markets, Bursa is rich in culture, history, and of course, mouth-watering kebabs. Number 7, Konya, the city of Rumi. Home to the great poet Rumi and the whirling dervishes, Konya offers a deep spiritual experience unlike anywhere else. Number 8. Fethiye, the turquoise coast. Blue lagoons, island hopping, and stunning sunsets. Whether you love beaches or boat rides, Fethiye is paradise. Number 9. Mount Ararat, the legendary peak. Towering over eastern Turkey, this is the country's highest mountain. Some even say Noah's Ark came to rest here. Number 10. Trabzon, Turkey's hidden gem. On the Black Sea coast lies lush green hills, peaceful lakes, and breathtaking views. Uzungol is the kind of place that steals your heart. So, which of these amazing places will you visit first in Turkey? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel inspiration. Your adventure begins now.